HeyGen just added a whole bunch of new avatars that go way beyond traditional talking heads. And these avatars are available to everyone, even people on the free plan. In this video, I'll introduce you to those new avatars, plus I'll share a really awesome upgrade to HeyGen's pricing plans. And be sure to stick around until the end of the video when I'll reveal how you can use AI to create your own digital clone. Check out how different these avatars are from the original talking heads. The original avatars are here at the top of the list. See how they always face the camera and have kind of a standard professional look? Well, the new avatars come with their own backgrounds and have a wide variety of looks. Here's Gayla, an avatar with 18 looks. For each look, Gayla is sitting or standing in a different place. There are different camera angles and props for variety, and she's got different outfits you can choose from too. But Gayla herself and the color schemes remain consistent, so it's easy to pull together different clips and create a professionally edited video. To see all of the new avatars, click Avatar and choose Casual. Some avatars, like Raul, are a good fit for business videos. But you can also choose Noah in a home setting, Blanca in an outdoor picnic setting, and Oksana, who has a mix of business, yoga studio, and gym settings. These new avatars let you create videos with a customized spokesperson that will really resonate with your audience. All of these new avatars are included in the free plan, and by the way, the free plan doesn't expire. With this plan, you can create 3 videos up to 3 minutes long each month. To sign up for the free plan without entering a credit card, just click the link in the description below. Keep in mind that the free plan gives you a standard video processing speed, an export resolution of 720p, and there will be a small HeyGen watermark in the corner of your videos. If you want to remove the watermark and export at higher resolutions up to 1080p, you can upgrade to the creator plan. You'll get everything in the free plan, plus you can create an unlimited number of videos each month, and each one can be up to 5 minutes long. Videos will be processed more quickly and the watermark will be removed. You also get up to 3 digital clones or instant avatars. At the time of this recording, the creator plan costs $24 per month on the annual plan or $29 per month on the monthly plan. This is a really great deal, especially when you consider that you can publish an unlimited number of videos. To create unlimited videos up to 30 minutes long and collaborate with teammates, check out the Teams plan. You get a multi-user workspace, access to over 120 avatars, plus a global language suite of over 140 languages and dialects. You also get a brand kit, roles and permissions, and even faster video processing time. The Teams plan is $69 per seat per month on the annual plan or $89 on the monthly plan. To export videos up to any length at resolutions up to 4K, check out the Enterprise plan. This plan gives you access to a brand voice and the Translation Proofread Studio, which lets you proofread and fine-tune translations for even higher levels of accuracy. If you want to see something really mind-blowing, check out this digital clone of myself that I created with the Instant Avatar feature. HeyGen recently announced that they're making this cloning feature available to everyone, even if you're on the free plan. It only takes 2 minutes of video footage and your clone will be ready in 5 minutes. That's why it's called an instant avatar. Then just type in a script and use your clone to create a video of yourself talking without setting up any camera, microphone, or lights for filming. Or if you have a client, SME, or colleague who needs a clone, with their permission, you can create a digital clone for them instead. Click or tap this video to learn more and let me know if you can tell the difference between my clone and the real me.